Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to filter a Microsoft Access report to one criteria. This is incredibly useful when you need to narrow down your data to focus on specific information, making your reports more targeted and meaningful. Start by opening your Microsoft Access application and load into your database. Once the software has fully loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin setting up your filtered report. Give it a moment to ensure everything is properly loaded before moving forward. Now, to filter your Microsoft Access report to one criteria, click on the Create tab located at the top part of your screen. This tab is where all your essential tools are located, giving you access to various features for building queries and reports. From here, look for the Query Design option and click on it. This opens up the Query Design workspace where you'll be able to set up your filtering criteria. Once you're in the Query Design view, the next step is to enable the filter function for one specific criteria. Start by adding a table to your Query Design. You'll see the Query Design tab located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll work with your dataset and define which fields you want to include in your filtered report. Select the table that contains the data you want to filter and add a field from that table into your Query Design grid. Now comes the crucial part. Look at the right side of your screen where you'll see the property sheet. If the property sheet isn't visible, you may need to click on the property sheet button to make it appear. Within this property sheet, you'll find various options for customizing your query. Look for the Filter tab in the property sheet and click on it. This is where you'll add in the specific filter criteria you wish to apply to the field you just added. Type in the exact criteria that matches what you want to filter from your dataset. This could be a specific value, date, name, or any other data point that you need to isolate in your report. And that's it. You've successfully set up a filter for your Microsoft Access report to focus on one specific criteria. This targeted approach allows you to generate more precise and useful reports that highlight exactly what you need to see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.